Hey folks, this is a run through Lego House by Ed Sheeran. It's actually a super cool kind of situation. He basically keeps the same chord and changes the root note underneath to change the chord all the time. So instead of just sort of strumming regular chords, what he's playing is a B5. So you need your index finger on B, third and fourth fingers on F sharp and B, right? So you're going to go, right? And then on the 3 and 4 of the second bar, you play F sharp, so that's basically B5 over F sharp. All right. Now, you could also play with your 2 fingers, but as you can see, I've broken this one. So it would sound like this. What I'd suggest is you hit the bass with your thumb. Right. So that's what it would sound like, right? So we're just going to run through, but you could do it with a pick as well. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, F sharp. Okay, in the third bar, we've got a G sharp minor. And then the final chord is an E. All right? The way to think about this section and the verse, in fact, is you're going to play 6 B5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then F sharp twice. Then G sharp minor 6 times, and then E twice. All right? So that is a good way of remembering what order the chords are in. So B, F sharp, G sharp minor, E, sus2. Right? You could put your index finger back in here when you're playing the E, so that you're ready for the B. You know what I mean? Okay, so that is basically the verse, the intro rather, and the verse. Now in the pre-chorus it remains pretty similar. F sharp, G minor, E, B, F sharp, G minor, and then there's a bar where there's nothing, just the drop kind of before the chorus. All right, now in the chorus, again, it's a similar sort of situation where we're playing 1. Now, instead of going to F sharp, we go to C sharp, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then jump over to G sharp and then up to B. So those 4 bars were B, 6 Bs, 2 C sharps, 6 G sharps, and then 2 Bs. Now, then we're going to play an F sharp major. So what we're actually going to need to do is we just need to put this here, right? So you get 6 of these. This is F sharp, and then you go to G sharp minor, put your pinky back on, go up, and then 6 E's. Get 2 F sharps at the end of this section, and that loops you all the way around to the beginning of the chorus again. Okay, so you basically do that. Then the first time you get to the end of the chorus, you are going to go back up to the beginning of the song and play all the stuff that we just played. The second time you get to the end of the chorus, at the end of chorus 2, effectively, we go into a bridge. And we have the same sorts of chords. Right, so G sharp minor, F sharp, E, twice, and then F sharp, twice, and then E, once, and then F sharp. When I say twice, I mean 2 bars, right? Now, in this section, you don't necessarily have to continue that rhythm because there's a bit more sort of, right? But you could play 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, E, 4, right? And then the band's out, and you play the pre-chorus quietly, and then you play the chorus 3 times, and that's the end of the song. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you need the chart or whatever, just visit me over at patreon.com/Simon Morel and you can get it there. You can get it as a one-off or subscribe as a bronze member. Upwards. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.